Welcome back. I am your host Mudassir Raza. In today's episode, I inform you about one another artificial intelligence app, and this time it's related to the insurance sector. Before we move on towards the topic, isn't it better if you keep a glass of lemonade with you? Believe me, you will enjoy more. Now you're thinking that how? So the startup which we are discussing today is Laminate Insurance, a unique name with unique features. Laminate is an insurance technology firm that is ranked 17th in CNBC's list. Founded by Israelis Daniel Schreiber and Shai Bringer, the firm has created a new business model for insurance, powered by artificial intelligence to eliminate conflicts of interest between insurers and insured. With a bot rather than an agent guiding customers applying for insurance, Laminate promises zero paperwork and instant everything, and as a certified B corporation where underwriting profits go to non-profits, Laminate is remaking insurance as a social good. Laminate is rated A exceptional, fully licensed and backed by some of the biggest names in the industry like Google, General Catalyst, Lloyd's of London. Laminate reverses the traditional insurance model. They treat the premiums you pay as if it's yours money, not theirs. With Laminate, everything becomes simple and transparent. And with these two words, they build credibility in the market. They take a flat fee, pay claims super fast, and give back. What's left causes you care about. At its core, Laminate does the same thing as any other homeowner's insurance company. It settles claims to help repair or replace your home and belongings if something bad happens. Homeowners and renters are covered against all the standard bills with Laminate, including theft, damages, and liability, and can add extra coverage for valuable belongings. But that's where the similarities stop. Laminate operates completely different than a normal insurer. Although the company doesn't use these exact words, it's essentially a P2P business. P2P scraps the traditional profit-driven insurance model where providers collect excess premium, in other words, unpaid claims, as revenue. Instead, Laminate policyholders insure one another. Laminate doesn't operate any physical agencies or write policies through agent. Instead, customers apply, buy, and file claims online or through the mobile app. Hope you will like today's episode. Thank you so much.